My experience being my first time traveling with my family to sea. The sea it was an unforgettable and positive experience. I enjoyed it. I felt very relaxed and calm in Cartagena. Its climate was pleasant, windy, and sunny. I would like to revisit this experience that happened 2 years ago. The events were before arriving at the El Dorado airport. We stayed at the grandmother house to take her with us the next day. When we go to the Dorado airport, we took the plane to go to the Rafael Núñez International Airport. We were arrived at the Cartagena airport. We were informed that there was a fair with the luggage incumbent and some suitcases were left at the El Dorado airport. They have taken my sister and me grandmother suitcase. During that time, my mother and I had to lend her clothes, and because of their reason, they didn't enter the sea without their bathing suit. But 2 days later, they called us to go to their airport for the suitcases. We arrived the day return our bags. They of apologized and also also gave us a discount for the return trip. And the part by Lux. My message about the experience of my trips is only say what is necessary to travel, and you must be aware and attentive with your band to avoid mistakes. Thank you.